Okay, so let's continue. So what did Tanveer say? Tanveer said, today is Uruka and the whole village will eat together. Fatima, have they started preparing the feast? Sonmoni, yes, everyone has contributed money to buy bora rice, fish and vegetable. Children, so there are two special type of rice you find, bora rice and chiva rice, that you will see later, and they make fish and vegetables. They also arranged wood for Maisie. They also arranged wood for Maisie. Okay, Maisie is a kind of bonfire. Harya and Bhadia have not given money, but they are helping with all the work. Okay. Now, Fatima, what about the meat, fish and vegetables? Sonmoni, some people have gone to market to buy all these things. The bora rice has been soaked and the whole village is busy making pita. Okay, some people are cooking and some are roasting the sweet potatoes. Some will help to serve the food at the night. In the evening, everyone will serve tea and pita. Children, here this is very important paragraph which you have to underline. Magh Bihu is celebrated on 14th and 15th of January. Okay, what is when do we celebrate Magh Bihu? On 14th and 15th of January. That is the first and second Magh, the 10th month of Assamese calendar. This is the 10th month of Assamese calendar. The first day is called Uruka, and that day people build a temporary shed called Belaghar. This is called Belaghar, and they have a community feast. They eat together. Now, bora rice is common variety of rice used in Assam. You have to underline and you have to remember. Bora rice is a common variety of rice used in Assam. They are sticky rice. Alright, so now you have to find where is Assam. Just look into the map and try to locate Assam. Okay. Moving ahead. Tanveer, I'm waiting to eat the chiva rice and we will get at the feast. I really love it. So he was waiting to get the chiva rice. Fatima, how will the chiva rice prepared? This is again a very important question. How is chiva rice prepared? Many a time this question is asked, children. Okay. Sonmoni, this is important, you have to underline. They will light a fire and boil the water in a big towel. Okay. They will light the fire, boil the water in a big towel. Now this question also comes, what is big towel? So big towel is a big vessel, bada bartan, big vessel. On this vessel, they put the kadhai containing soaked rice and cover it with banana leaves. They are not putting the water and putting the rice as we cook normally. On a big vessel, they are putting the kadhai and the rice is already soaked. So they cover it with banana leaves. And then after some time, see, the water is in the big vessel and the kadai is on the top of the big vessel and rice is in the kadai, that too covered, soaked and covered with banana leaves. And after some time, chiva rice will be cooked and ready to eat. Okay, so that is how the chiva rice is prepared, and this is very important question, children. You will have to just learn. It's very easy. There's nothing much. Okay. Let us talk. Where is festival of Bihu celebrated? You have to answer me. Which are the festivals you celebrate together with families? Does everybody cook and eat together on such festivals? What are some of the special dishes that are cooked? How are they cooked? Are some special vessels used for cooking these items? What are they called? Which is the biggest vessel that is used? Can you draw a picture of it? Can you guess how many people can eat the food that is cooked in it at one time? So here you can see this is the diagram of the Bhela Ghar. Children, you have to draw this diagram also. Mezi. Okay, diagram of the Mezi. Alright. So rest we will continue in the next period.